Hi guys, welcome to Toys and Funny Kids. This is another one of my surprise egg videos, and this time we are opening Christmas eggs, which is even more exciting. My first egg has a car inside. Cool! Let me look at my next one. Oh, it's an Angry Birds eraser. As you can see, I have a lot of eggs today, so we're gonna go pretty fast. In the next egg, oh, how beautiful. It's a necklace. That's gorgeous. I think I'll wear that. In this egg, ooh, a keychain from a comic book. And a banner. Look. Oh, look at the little toy kite. That's really cool. Okay, pink egg, your turn. Oh, it's Bart Simpson. Well, let's see what's in the next egg. I'm so excited. I love opening eggs. Oh, what is it? It's a Hello Kitty ring. And an Angry Birds toy. Hello, Bluebird. And let me reach, get the egg here. Spider-Man. All right. Love Spider-Man. Of course, I love Batman more, but Spider-Man's awesome too. And red egg inside is Daisy. Daisy Duck. Hi, Daisy. She's cool. What else do we have? My Little Ponies. All right. And what's inside this one? Minnie Mouse. Hi, Minnie. I love Minnie Mouse. Green egg. Oh, it's that little bee girl again. Somebody please leave me a comment with her name. I feel so bad that I don't know her name. A panda. Hi, panda. What else? Oh, I have so many eggs to open today. I am a lucky girl. Peppa Pig. It's a keychain with Peppa Pig. And a ring. Another Hello Kitty ring. Ooh, a hair clip. How nice. This can go in my hair. And, oh, another creature with the beak. Does anybody know his name? Please leave me a comment if you know the names of these bee toys. Oh, look at the little man on a tricycle. This is so cool, it even spins. Let me see if I can work this toy. What a neat toy. Cool. And a bracelet. What a pretty bracelet. Hope it fits me. I love bracelets. Oh, I'm excited. We're getting to the Christmas eggs. Here we go. Oh, inside this egg was a cow. Hey, cow. More eggs. Ooh, a Barbie bracelet. How beautiful. What's inside this egg? A car with SpongeBob driving. Hey, SpongeBob. What's inside this egg? Another egg! It's an Angry Birds eraser. What's inside this egg? Oh, a fighter plane. Oh, it's from the movie Planes. Another Spider-Man. Cool. What's inside the next egg? What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, I don't know. Let's find out. What is this? Huh. Well, I'll be honest, I don't know what that does. Let's open another egg. Donald! Hey, Donald! And... oh, a little bug. Dora! It's Dora the Explorer! Hi, Dora! What are you doing in my mystery eggs? Let's open another egg. A banner. I'm gonna unwrap it. Oh, it's Princess Pets. It's a Princess Pets. They are Palace Pets, excuse me. They're the pets of the Disney princesses. And we have, oh, a top. I like tops. Sometimes they're hard, but they're really fun to spin. And inside this, oh, Luigi! It's a Luigi coin. Do you play Mario? I love Mario. Mario Kart is my jams. Oh, another bracelet. How nice. Hey, a bracelet. Okay, opening another. Oh, it's another Donald. I got two. How lucky. Hi, Donald. A choo-choo train. Oh, I love trains. This is going to be a fun toy. Let's open another egg. Oh my gosh, I have so many toys. Waluigi. He's also from Mario, but I don't like him much because he's mean. Oh, it's Princess Aurora. Doesn't she look beautiful in a white dress? A car. It looks like a Spider-Man car. Open another egg and a Hello Kitty ring. Oh, this time Hello Kitty's a butterfly. That's nice. Oh, it's Pete. Hope he's not going to cause any trouble. Now here we go. I'm so excited. My Christmas eggs. I decorated these ones specially because I love Christmas so much. So first, we're going to have to peel open our Christmas to find Boots the monkey. Hi, Boots. Boots the monkey. Now, let's open our next. This is the snowflake egg. I love this egg. It took me forever to make the snowflake. Oh, I killed it. Hello, Kitty. Hi, Hello Kitty. She is so cute. And now the Santa Claus egg. Oh, well, maybe not. Maybe I'll do the sparkly blue egg first. Santa Claus egg we'll save for last because he's so cool. And inside, oh, it's Mickey Mouse. Hello, Mickey Mouse. I should have known you'd be in an awesome Christmas egg. And now we'll open the Christmas tree egg. Oh, it's Cinderella. Doesn't she look gorgeous? I love Princess Cinderella. And finally, the Santa Claus egg. What a shame to have to break him. I'll open him carefully. Hello, Princess Aurora. Oh, I love the movie Sleeping Beauty, don't you? Surprises! I have so many toys for my eggs. Thank you so much for watching me open them. If you like surprise eggs, you can click here on the link to stay on our channel, Toys and Funny Kids, or watch me play with some of my other toys. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas!